Welcome to Floral Street. I'm Roshni.
And I'm Kate, and this is our Covent Garden flagship store.
We are a modern British fragrance brand with a collection of vegan, sustainable and unforgettable fragrances, powered by flowers and inspired by London.
Our fragrances are based off different moods and personas, so if you're feeling fiery, quirky or expressive, we'll have the fragrance for you. Who will you be today?
This is Wild Vanilla Orchid, a fragrance for the bold, sassy and confident. It's vanilla, but not as you know it.
A key ingredient in our Wild Vanilla Orchid is Ambroxan. It's a nature identical to ambergris, which adds a salty marine accord to the fragrance.
Another key ingredient is vanilla bean. It's resinous, warm, and adds that beautiful depth to the fragrance.
We also have cashmere, which is like being wrapped up in a warm cashmere blanket on a cold winter's night.
Or you might have a cocktail in your hand and your toes in the sand.
We have a wardrobe of fragrances to perfectly express any mood.
Who will you be today?